So yesterday we had one of our research days. Primarily we see patients at the clinical trials on Tuesdays and Thursdays, although we are flexible. So interestingly, we had 2 patients yesterday who didn't qualify for the studies. We're very careful about who we put into the studies because we're working for the pharmaceutical companies, and the companies really want a homogeneous, want an exact similar population in our site and all sites across the country. So one gentleman unfortunately had a serious head injury, and we didn't think that would be acceptable for him to be in a clinical research trial. Maybe he'd have a higher risk of seizures, PTSD, other complications, because he said he almost died in the accident. So it made us a little leery about putting him into a research trial. But then he filled out an 8-page form, because at no cost, I'll give him some advice about what maybe he can do to stabilize his mood and his functioning. Another woman came in who, for a bipolar depression study, looked like she had cyclothymia, so her mood cycled very rapidly. She thought every week. So if we were going to measure whether or not she had improvement, and every week she was changing, we'd randomly may catch her on a good week and a bad week. It wouldn't be fair to the clinical research study to measure the effect of a bipolar depression medication, because we might be randomly measuring something that wasn't really part of the clinical trial. And research studies say they want you to have often just 4 mood swings a year. So, but also for her, we offered her that she could fill out an 8-page form. I could see her at no cost to get some recommendations to her psychiatrist. That's the story for the day. That we're very careful. People, I appreciate, my whole staff appreciates the effort somebody would take to come and submit themselves to be open up and be examined for a clinical research trial, and we respect their time and their privacy and do whatever we can to help them out if they've helped us out as well. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.